Audio desync in Rocket League can be frustrating, but there are quick solutions to help you get back on track. Follow these steps to resolve the issue. Step 1. Check audio settings. Go to the audio settings in Rocket League and ensure that the audio output device is correctly set. Make sure the volume levels are appropriate and that no audio options are muted. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Ensure that your audio drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website for your sound card or use the driver update tool to check for the latest updates and install them. Step 3. Adjust game and system audio. Sometimes, the audio desync can be caused by conflicting settings. Adjust the game audio settings and your system audio settings to ensure they're compatible. Try lowering the audio quality settings in the game. Step 4. Restart the game. A simple restart can often resolve temporary issues. Close Rocket League completely and relaunch it to see if the audio sync issue persists. Step 5. Verify game files. If the problem continues, verify the integrity of the game files through the game launcher, Steam, Epic Games, etc. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, potentially fixing the audio desync. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the audio desync issue in Rocket League quickly. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support forums or the game's customer service for further assistance.